Ain't nobody really fucking with me like they always saying.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel EduTester. Today we are going to learn how to download and install Nmap testing tool. Nmap is used to discuss hosts and services on a computer network by sending packets and analyzing the responses. So without waiting, let's move on to download and installation process of Nmap tool. So friends, go to the link nmap.org download.html. The following page will appear. We are going to install on Windows 10. It can be installed on Windows 7, 8 and 10. The Nmap 7.8 setup.exe. So we will click on that. This exe basically have GUI interface of Nmap as a front end. I have already downloaded the exe. Just open the exe by clicking license agreement. I agree. Select the component to install. I don't want to remove any component, so I'm going to next. This is default destination folder. If you want to change, you can change the folder path. Install. Select on I agree. Support. Select three options, and the second one, if you want to restrict nmap driver on administration login, you can select yes, but I don't want to. That's why again I'm going to install. Click on install. Click on next. Finish. Again click on next. Installation complete. If you don't want to select desktop icon, uncheck this check. Click on next. Finish. Just have a look what is actually installed. Here the icon appeared because we selected yes to create shortcut. Open that tool. Tool is open. Basically it has GUI of Nmap. So Nmap is mentioned over there. In Nmap tool, the target is basically web path or IP, and below text there is command line. You can put commands over there and just start scanning the GUI. On the GUI, the following section reports are appeared according to the command what you had applied. There are list of commands to scan specific hosts, networks, many more things. There are multiple scans like intense scans, ping scan, quick scan, regular scan. So your Nmap tool is installed in GUI platform. Thanks for watching.